Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So this chart which I show you on the screen is very important. Be focused, my friends, to what I tell you, because my brothers, today I have something very special for all of you now. And this time, my brother, the very dangerous move of Cardano, as you can see here on the screen, this chart is completely show you. You can see here this fails, my brother. This fails is very bad, and what, and absolutely I also lost, my brother, here now, because I invest, my friends, three times, my friends, three accounts now. So just in only, my friend, one account I use, my friend, for short time investing. So therefore, as you can see here, this is completely lost in short time, my brother. And as you can see here, this time the change occurring minus 11.96%, 97% the price changing occur, because you can see here they already hit now 3.02 USD dollar. When they hit this target, definitely, my friends, I also decide, my friends, to let's invest more and more. But absolutely, because I expect, my friends, from Cardano to they will easily hit now 4 USD dollar in upcoming time. So if they just only hit 4 USD dollar and I invest $1,000, so definitely they will give me, my friends, $1,000 profit now. So definitely that's a really great opportunity, my friends, to I will take a very good, this is a very bad risk, but absolutely a very good profit now, my brother. But as you can see, my friend, the price will come down to 2.6 USD dollar. So this is very bad now and very shocked now, especially for me. But I have no plan to sell it in this time, because I lost 0.4 USD dollar. I think it's a very high loss. So therefore I have no plan to buy, to sell it, because, my brother, this is clearly lost now. And absolutely, I invest, my friends, $10,000 just in only, my friend, in last 7 days ago, my friend. So definitely I have a plan to invest for a long time more, and definitely there is no chance to I will sell it now. So kindly I also recommend you to kindly don't sell it, because Cardano price, there is 100% chance to again they will hit now 3 USD dollar, again they will hit now 4 USD dollar. So this is my expectation is very good from Cardano. I hope they will hit these targets. But kindly holders, if you also want to earn money and get a profit, so now invest for a long time, don't invest for a short time, because Cardano is not good for short time. So my brother, my opinion is for all of you to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. And please, if you want to earn money in a crypto, you will need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.